So you ever hit that point in your business where growth starts to feel like chaos, right? You're finally getting clients, but your system are breaking faster than you can fix them. Okay. Um, welcome to the moment every growing entrepreneur faces when more clients starts to feel like problems instead of the solution, right? You would think it's a different path, but it's not sometimes. And I see this all the time with coaches, consultants, small agencies, business owners. They hit the 20K mark, 40K month mark, 60K month mark, and suddenly they're doing 10 different jobs, right? They're onboarding clients, they're managing deliverable, they're answering DMs, they're updating invoices, they're still trying to sell, right? It's like being the CEO, the virtual assistant, the project manager, the intern, all at once. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most businesses sometimes they don't fail because of bad marketing. They fail because they outgrow their back end, right? And the cure is structure. You want to create some form of structure. Here's the system that we've helped our clients, right? We use a tool called GoHighLevel, and we have our team of VAs that are very skilled at it. One, your VA owns the back end, right? Your back end VA to set up pipelines for every client stage from onboarding, in progress, complete, right? They automate the whole process. Second, every time a client's move between stages, we set up AI automation that trigger tasks and reminders so that way things get done faster. And then when someone signs, the system, they get a welcome email, payment, all that stuff is already done. And then what happened next is they get a link where they can book an onboarding call. Our VA is notified, it's in her calendar. Boom. You're able to jump on a call, go through the process. If there's any upsell opportunity, all that is being taken care of. Everything happens without me or you touching a button, right? And when you have that going, you wake up with a dashboard, see exactly where every client stands, right? Um, we have consulting clients that I suggested to run this, and guess what? They were able to manage everything instead of using a Google Sheets. They had everything in one platform, and they can see what's happening, right? Their backend in GHL is built up. Their VA that handles system and was managing the process. Now her onboarding runs itself, and invoices are tracked automatically. Clients get consistent communication because it's automatically done, and she gets back her time. She could spend it with family. She can have more time with friends, right? She didn't hire more people. She used our VAs and better systems, right? A platform like GoHighLevel and some high-level system management VA. So if your growth is starting to feel like chaos, it's not a sign to slow down. It's a signal to automate better, right? If you need help with this, book a call with one of our team members and we can help you get a VA. We can even help you set up a high level and you get a 30-day free trial since I'm one of the partners. Your business should scale without breaking you. All right, that's my take on this. So hopefully this is valuable to you. If you like these type of videos, you want to see more of them, like, comment, share this, let me know, right? Because I'm just testing different things. I want to share experience that's happening in our business, things that I know that some entrepreneurs like yourself are struggling with. So I want to bring that information to you so you're able to take full advantage of what we're sharing and able to really take your business to the next level. All right. So stay in touch. Let us know how we can help and can't wait to hear from you. Cheers.